everyone, Foxy421 is here. Today I am going to be reviewing another product from a dollar store I got called from Tech1. It's called the 3.5 mm audio adapter. There were two versions, I think three versions, I might be wrong, but this version I got is the audio to lightning, and there is a Type-C one, and I'm pretty sure there's a Android one. And when I say Android one, I'm not talking about the Type-C. I got this for $4.50. I bought this because, one, the iPhone I got doesn't have audio jacks, because ever since I think iPhone 8, or I think iPhone 8, or maybe it was 7, I don't know, but they got rid of the audio jacks, right, the headphone jack. But the second reason why is because of these headphones that I use, that my brother and I use. It's called the Hyper, oh shoot, I almost knocked down. But anyway, it's called the HyperX Cloud Stinger 2022. As you can see, this is the headphones that I use when I'm recording on laptop, when, you know, like in my Arms of Solitaire video or my Mad Paintball video. It uses a 3.5 mm, so I kind of want to test this out with these headphones to see if it works with the mic and all. Alright, so let's open it. I think I'm just gonna pause, since I don't want to like accidentally drag out like I did with the what do you call it? Oh yeah, the mouse pad, yeah. But anyway, yeah, I'll be right back, okay? Alright, I have opened it up. As you can see, this is what it looks like. Right here. My god, it's hard to keep a focus, huh? But again, my hand is so shaky, I just can't focus onto it. I find it just very weird. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna plug in the headphones to see if it works, and yeah, and then after that I'll just check the footage, and that'll be it. Alright, so yeah, I'll be back. Alright, I have plugged in the headphones. Alright, I plugged in the headphones. I'm like touching my mic right now. I don't know if it works. Hopefully. I don't know if I can't show you guys the cable, but it kind of plugged all the way in. Yeah, I mean, there's a little like tiny gap, but there's like a small gap. I'm not sure if I can show you guys it. I really can't, but yeah, we're gonna see. Not sure what else to say. I'm trying to like talk to see if, you know, the mics work or whatever. Alright, enough. Hold on. I'm touching my mic right now. I'm like talking very close to it. Alright, now I'm gonna end the recording and check the footage to see if it works, alright? Alright, so I'm honestly not sure. I mean, it does work. Like, I can listen to videos, like YouTube videos and stuff, but in terms of the microphone that I have plugged, I mean not plugged, I mean the microphone that's in that's attached to the headphones and all, I'm honestly not sure if it works. I mean, I hope it does, but it does work as headphones, that's for sure. I will say that. Um, maybe the mic thing doesn't work. I don't know. Maybe you guys find a difference, but to me, I think it's okay. I mean, it's still useful for $4.50. You know, I mean, I still think this is useful. Also, by the way, look at the apps on these. Like, you got that one GPS map app that I remember. You also got this weird ass. I wonder what that app is. But anyway, yeah. But anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it. Kind of hope the mic works, but yeah, I do recommend getting these, even if the microphone thing doesn't work. I mean, they're still useful, especially if you have an iPhone that uses lightning chargers instead of, you know, type C, and you also have some headphones that are what was I gonna say? Headphones that doesn't have a lightning plug. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. But anyway, yeah, that is all. So remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. And that is all. Peace, you home dogs.